Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best benchtop belt sanders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the BUCKTOOL Pro 1 horsepower bench belt sander for metalworking. Now this sander is a powerhouse, featuring a 1 horsepower direct drive motor that delivers constant and powerful performance. This makes it an excellent option for users who need a tool that can handle heavy-duty metal polishing as well as woodworking tasks. The sanding belt is 4 by 36 inches, while the disc is a spacious 8 inches, giving you plenty of surface area to work with. Plus, the multi-angle sanding feature allows the belt to tilt from 0 to 90 degrees, making it versatile for both horizontal and vertical sanding. In terms of design, the BUCKTOOL Pro is built for durability and convenience. It has a cast aluminum base with rubber feet to prevent vibrations, and the switch box is conveniently placed at the top for easy operation. Additionally, the sanding disc uses a hook and loop design for quick and easy replacements. However, at 44 pounds, this machine is heavier than some of its competitors, which might make portability a challenge. The BUCKTOOL Pro is ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who require a high-performance sander for metal and woodworking applications. Its powerful motor and robust design are definite highlights, but the lack of a listed price and its hefty weight might be drawbacks for some. Overall, it's a great option if you prioritize power and versatility. In the 4th spot, we have the BUCKTOOL 5.0A belt disc sander, model BD4603. This upgraded sander features a 3/4 horsepower direct drive motor that delivers 3,200 RPM for the disc and efficient sanding performance. The direct drive design is 25% more efficient than traditional belt systems, meaning you get more power and less maintenance. It's paired with a 4 by 36 inch belt and a 6-inch disc, making it a versatile 2-in-1 machine. The belt can be tilted from 0 to 90 degrees, which is perfect for a variety of projects, from flat sanding to working on curved surfaces. The BD4603 boasts a sturdy design thanks to its cast aluminum base and rubber feet that prevent vibrations during operation. It also features 2 separate work tables, one for the disc and one for the belt, which adds convenience and flexibility when switching between tasks. The quick-change belt replacement system is another thoughtful touch, making this model user-friendly for both professionals and hobbyists. This sander is best suited for users looking for a reliable tool that balances power and portability. At 35.5 pounds, it's lighter than the BUCKTOOL Pro, which makes it easier to move around your workshop. However, the lack of specific pricing information might deter budget-conscious buyers. If you're after efficiency and low maintenance, this is a solid pick. At number 3, we have the BUCKTOOL Direct Drive Bench Belt Sander. This model is powered by a 3/4 horsepower motor that directly drives the belt and disc, delivering stable and efficient performance. The 4 by 36 inch belt can be adjusted horizontally or vertically, and the 8-inch disc is perfect for more detailed sanding tasks. This setup makes the BUCKTOOL Direct Drive an excellent choice for woodworking projects, especially for shaping and finishing work. The build quality is impressive, featuring a cast aluminum base that minimizes vibrations and ensures stability. It also includes dual dust ports for better vacuuming efficiency, which helps maintain a cleaner workspace. Additionally, the miter gauge and adjustable work table angles add extra precision when sanding at different angles. While this sander is slightly heavier at 40 pounds, it's still manageable for most workbench setups. It's particularly well-suited for woodworking enthusiasts who value stability and precision. However, the absence of a listed price might make it harder to compare directly with other options. Overall, this is a great intermediate option for those who need a reliable and versatile benchtop sander. Taking the 2nd spot is the budget-friendly WEN 6515T benchtop belt and disc sander. This compact yet powerful sander features a 2.3A motor that delivers 3,160 FPM for the belt and 3,450 RPM for the disc. The 2-in-1 design includes a 1x30-inch belt and a 5-inch disc, making it perfect for smaller woodworking projects or general sanding tasks. The 6515T is designed with portability and stability in mind. At just 16 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, thanks to its heavy-duty base that prevents wobbling during operation. It also includes practical features like 2 dust ports, a miter gauge, and a 2-year warranty, which adds excellent value at this price point. However, the smaller belt size might limit its functionality for larger or more demanding projects. This is the ideal choice for hobbyists or those on a budget who need a reliable, compact sander for basic tasks. While it may not be as powerful as the higher-end models, it's a great entry-level option that delivers solid performance for its price. Finally, at the top of our list is the WEN6502T Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander. This premium model combines a 4x36-inch belt and a 6-inch disc, powered by a robust 4.3A motor that delivers up to 3,600 RPM. The belt can tilt from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing you to tackle a variety of sanding tasks with ease. The cast iron base provides exceptional stability, ensuring minimal vibrations during operation. What sets the 6502T apart is its thoughtful design and user-friendly features. The tension release lever makes it easy to switch between sandpaper grits, while the spacious work table provides ample support for larger projects. At 37.8 pounds, it's solid enough to stay in place, but not overly heavy to handle. This sander is perfect for both professional woodworkers and serious DIYers who need a versatile, high-performing tool. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the WEN6502T delivers exceptional value for its price. It's reliable, durable, and packed with features that make sanding tasks more efficient and precise. If you're looking for the best all-around benchtop belt sander, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.